Number 1. 1985 Ford F150, price $5,400. It features a desirable short bed configuration and comes with a clean title. Powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission, the truck has approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer. It runs and drives well, showing solid mechanical condition despite its age. The exterior is finished in blue, while the interior is trimmed in gray, providing a timeless and rugged look. A lift kit has been installed, giving the truck a more aggressive stance and improved off-road capability. Although the body and paint show signs of wear and will require attention, the vehicle remains structurally sound and full of potential. Whether you're looking for a dependable 4x4 project or a vintage truck to bring back to its former glory, this 1985 Ford F-150 offers a great starting point with its classic styling and proven durability. Number 2. 1981 Dodge D150, price $10,000, with 133,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring a 4-speed manual transmission paired with a 6-cylinder engine, it's finished in black with a striking red interior. The truck runs and drives great, especially considering its age of 44 years. It's equipped with manual steering, manual brakes, crank windows, and is a factory air conditioning model. The AC system is still in place and functional but currently needs a recharge. Recently, the truck has received several mechanical updates including new Cooper Cobra tires, a new carburetor, starter, rear shocks, and fresh front brakes with new calipers. Structurally, it's in excellent condition with rust-free floors, cab corners, cab mounts, rockers, doors, and fenders. However, there are a few cosmetic flaws. Some rust is present on the bed floor near the front section and there's minor bubbling along the drip rail. Number 3. 1992 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500. This truck is a well-maintained pickup with 150,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in white with a blue interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 355 engine paired with ACE fuel injection. The truck features a smooth-shifting 4-speed automatic transmission that performs and feels solid on the road. While the paint isn't flawless, the overall exterior is in decent shape, with the exception of the roof, which could use a new coat of clear or a full refinish. The current owner removed the pad from the rear bumper as it was rubbing against the tailgate, and a simple adjustment will resolve the issue. Inside, the truck benefits from a brand new headliner and a clean, crack-free dash, no covers needed. A non-busted dash was recently installed to replace the original, giving the interior a refreshed and tidy appearance. This Sierra comes with a clean title in hand, making it a solid candidate for someone seeking a reliable, classic American truck with tasteful upgrades and a well-preserved interior. Number 4. 1984 Chevrolet K10, price $9,000, with 70,000 miles on the odometer. It features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a fresh gray paint, recently applied as part of a restoration effort that also included rust repair and new front-end body panels sourced from NPD Ocala. The truck is equipped with a black interior that has been upgraded with a brand new custom bench seat, adding comfort and a modern touch to its classic appeal. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives well, and it sounds as good as it looks thanks to a dual Flowmaster exhaust system that provides a deep, aggressive tone. Overall, this K10 combines vintage charm with tasteful updates, making it both a capable driver and a head-turner. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. The truck features a 1977 cabin bed, paired with a front clip from a 1987 model, giving it a distinct and stylish appearance. It's powered by a strong 350 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, and it runs and drives exceptionally well. With just 71,000 miles on the odometer, this Chevrolet 1500 has plenty of life left in it. It sports a striking blue exterior that pairs nicely with its matching interior, and it runs on regular gasoline. The truck has undergone bodywork in the past, and while it's not in show-quality mint condition, the work has been done professionally and looks great. This is a solid driver that delivers both reliable performance and classic charm. Number 6. 1984 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. It features a strong 350 small block V8 engine that now breathes through a brand new Holley carburetor, pulling in fresh air and delivering power through all 8 cylinders with unmistakable authority. The rumble of its long tube headers and single-chamber Flowmaster mufflers gives the C10 a deep, aggressive tone that turns heads wherever it goes. This truck isn't just about power, it's about presence. Lowered for a bold, street-ready stance and finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it carries a timeless style that pairs perfectly with modern touches, like a Bluetooth radio, making it easy to enjoy your favorite music while cruising or commuting. Backed by a smooth automatic transmission and fueled by gasoline, the C10 blends old-school muscle with everyday usability. Number 7. 1980 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, finished in a clean silver exterior with a black interior. This truck stands out as a true hot rod. It runs on gasoline and features a smooth shifting automatic transmission, specifically, a brand new 700 R4. Originally born and raised in Atlanta, Georgia, this C10 has remained rust-free throughout its life. Now under its third owner, it has been well cared for and kept in straight, original condition. Performance-wise, it's equipped with a 3.42 rear end and an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, offering both cruising comfort and muscle truck power. This is a great opportunity to own an authentic Southern square body that's clean, solid, and built to perform. Number 8. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,400, with 298,000 miles on the odometer. It powered by a solid engine paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission. It runs and drives well, making it a great choice for both daily use and light off-road needs. The truck features four-wheel drive, offering added traction and control in a variety of driving conditions. The exterior is finished in classic black, complemented by an interior that, while unspecified in color, includes convenient power windows. The air conditioning system is fully functional and blows cold, providing comfort during hot days. It sits on a good set of tires, ready for the road, and the current registration is valid through April 2026. This vehicle comes with a clean title, ensuring a straightforward ownership transfer. Number 9. 1995 GMC Sierra 2500, price $4,950, powered by a strong 6.5L turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 219,000 miles traveled, it has proven its durability and continues to run solidly. The truck is a 2WD model, ideal for those who need a dependable work vehicle without the added weight or complexity of four-wheel drive. Recently, new oil cooler lines have been installed, ensuring better performance and helping maintain the engine's longevity. The exterior is finished in a crisp white color that gives it a clean, professional appearance, while the interior features a classic blue color scheme that adds a touch of vintage charm. The truck is also currently equipped with a ladder rack, making it perfect for contractors, tradesmen, or anyone needing to transport long or bulky items. Number 10. 1984 Chevrolet C10, price $9,900. This truck is a classic pickup that stands out with its striking red exterior and matching red interior. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with its original motor, offering an authentic driving experience true to its era. The truck features an automatic transmission for ease of use, making it a great choice for both collectors and casual enthusiasts. It comes with a clean title, ensuring peace of mind for the next owner. While the truck does not record mileage, it remains in solid condition overall. There is only minor rust present on the driver's side rocker panel, a common issue for vehicles of this age but relatively minimal in this case.